This career earns $200,000 to well over $500,000 a year, not because it's glamorous, but because mistakes are expensive. One phone call, $110,000 on the line. 7 days that can't be refunded. This is a career where judgment outranks effort. Welcome to No Brainer Biz, the channel where we break down the careers shaping the future of luxury, tech, and lifestyle. Tap subscribe so you don't miss the paths that change everything. This role is called Yacht Charter Broker. It's built for people who stay composed when plans collapse and decisive when time disappears. If you're already the one others rely on when things go sideways, you're closer to this career than you think. A yacht charter broker doesn't sell boats. They architect outcomes. This work lives at the intersection of logistics, psychology, and timing. If a client values precision dining, the chef must already think that way. If wellness matters, the yacht becomes a floating performance environment. Once a charter is confirmed with the central agent, the unseen work begins: crew alignment, preference interpretation, contingency design. By the time guests step on board, the yacht already knows how to behave. 3 days into a 40-person charter along the Tuscan coast, the system fails. Cabin doors open. Thermostats get checked. Silence stretches. The yacht's air conditioning goes down. Repair timeline, 3 days. That answer doesn't work. So helicopters are secured. Guests are flown from Forte dei Marmi to Monaco. 20 suites are booked at Hotel de Paris Monte Carlo. Day charter boats keep everyone on the water. When repairs are complete, the yacht sails to Monaco and resumes the trip without a single guest feeling displaced. That's not hospitality, that's control. The most common booking, 7 days on a 115-foot motor yacht. Average cost, $110,000, crew included. Fuel, food, and wine handled through the advanced provisioning allowance. Gratuity decided by the client. For some guests, that amount is smaller than a delayed meeting. Entry-level charters exist, $23,000 for a fully inclusive catamaran in Croatia. Most brokers specialize in motor yachts between 100 and 200 feet. Some extend to 230 feet. Floating estates with spas, gyms, and multi-level decks. There's no shortcut into yacht brokerage, but there is a pattern. Step 1. Enter the ecosystem. Charter brokerages, yacht management firms, marinas, and central agencies. Assistant and operations roles are entry points, not detours. Step 2. Learn where business actually happens. Build presence through recognized industry bodies like MyBA, the Worldwide Yachting Association, International Yacht Brokers Association, and Young Professionals in Yachting. Then show up where deals are shaped. Monaco Yacht Show, Cannes Yachting Festival, and Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show. There is no single global license that makes you a yacht broker. This career runs on reputation, compliance, and trust, not a universal certificate. Targeted education helps. Organizations like the Worldwide Yachting Association and the International Association of Maritime Institutions offer charter-focused training on contracts, ethics, and operations. You don't need to be a captain, you don't need sea time. But many brokers hold credentials from the Royal Yachting Association to communicate fluently with crews and owners. Education opens doors. Luxury doesn't pay for taste. It pays for decision-making under pressure. You either become the person who fixes problems or the one they stop calling. This career lives in that separation. This isn't about yachts. It's about becoming irreplaceable when time matters more than money. The next charter season is already filling. Until next time, stay inspired and dream big. Discover more in the description about entering the luxury yacht industry. Move to the next video because hesitation doesn't board the boat.